In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the ChatGPT memory full error for 2024 using a quick method. Encountering a memory full error can be frustrating as it might interrupt your work or conversations, but don't worry, this guide will help you resolve the issue swiftly. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, go to the search bar and type in ChatGPT. This will direct you to a list of search results related to ChatGPT. What you're looking for is the official ChatGPT website. Simply click on that link to proceed. After you've clicked on the ChatGPT website and found yourself on the homepage, your next task is to locate the profile icon. This is situated at the bottom left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that icon to access additional settings related to your account and its operations. Once you're in the profile settings, the next step is to look for the settings option. Clicking on this will take you deeper into the configuration options where you can address the memory issue directly. Inside the settings section, you will need to find and click on an option labeled Personalization. This is the area that controls various settings tailored to your account. Look through the options available under Personalization to optimize and manage your account's data and preferences. With the personalization settings opened up, your next step is to manage your account settings more specifically. There should be a Manage button available for you to click on. Managing settings involves making sure your account is organized and streamlined, especially if memory capacity is becoming an issue. After accessing the management options, you'll notice a selection labeled Delete All. Clicking here will allow you to clear unnecessary data from your account. Be cautious here, as this action will remove data that may or may not be useful to keep. The final step in solving the memory full error is to click on Clear Memory. Doing this will empty the memory that's been holding on to old or redundant data, freeing up space. This should effectively resolve the error and prevent it from coming up again in the near future. And there you have it, a simple, effective method to fix the ChatGPT memory full error. This process will not only solve the immediate problem, but also help maintain a smoothly running account, preventing potential issues in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.